My dear fellow collectors, welcome to another crazy idea of Busybee from Germany. Today we are leaving our normal path and do something I think I've never done before. I'd like to show you how to make a pattern for this Francie dress that you see here. And you may ask yourself, what's so special about this dress? And I'm going to tell you, because it's for Francie. I know I've not done so much dresses for Francie in the last years. That's what we are going to change. And the second thing is, it's a Japanese exclusive. So this thing is really hard to find. And I thought, hey, why not trying to make a pattern for it of my own and recreate it. For the case that you are not familiar with Let's Dance for Francie, and that's how I call my project. It's because you see the blue dress on the left, that's Barbie wearing, that's called Let's Dance, and that's the Barbie version. And because the Francie version has no name, I gave the other dress the name too, so that I have a project name for my new pattern making project. That's what the dress looks like at the back. She has kind of open back. The dress has a kind of open back and a bow in the neck or in the shoulder area. And yeah, I like it, it's very stylish, and I want to do the same thing for Francie that I have showed you just a minute ago. That's my actual top that I'm working on at the moment. Francie is wearing the same, but hers a little bit very tight, and so I'm making this a bit taller so that it's not fitting that tight, but I think I'm on a good way. My dear fellow collectors, the evolution of my Francie top dress for the Let's Dance project came into my mind like this. I started to draw. I just had it in my mind and I drew it on the pattern, and I wanted to see how it looks after the first try, and here you see my first try, very shorter than the other ones, and then I came to the next step. That's my second step. I used a pattern I had. I had this for a Francie dress, and I used it. Here you can see the 3 parts of it. You need 3 parts to make this. And it came from this dress that I made many years before. That gave me the idea to make the top, and I worked it out, and the next evolution was I continued to develop the pattern, and from this I made the arm longer, and then it became this. So we had the length of the arm that we needed, but still not perfect. My pattern was still a little bit too tight for Francie, so I made it a bit larger, so I enlarged it about 2%, and then I got this top that you already saw. That's my working model at the moment.